My name is Steven with Reliant Plumbing. Right here, we're in the city of San Antonio. Customer called us out after they got a notification from the water district. Saws had notified our customer that they're losing a ton of water. Our customer did not know where that water was coming from. So that's after calling 2 other plumbers out, they decided to call Reliant Plumbing. That's where we come in, and we were able to provide our customer with multiple options as far as leak detection or a new water line service replacement. In this instance, due to the terrain we're dealing with and where we found the leak was actually underneath the driveway. As you can see, the driveway goes really high up, about 255 feet. We found that it was better to replace the entire water line. In this instance, we chose PEX to go ahead and install a new water line, 255 feet of PEX. What that's gonna do for our customer's water line is there's only gonna be 2 connections out of the whole 255 feet. One connection is gonna be down at the meter, one connection is gonna be down at the house. So that right there is gonna allow very little room for future leaks due to the straight piece of pipe. Rather than the original PVC having multiple fittings in the ground. Keep in mind that PVC is notorious for leaking at multiple fittings. Usually PVC is installed in about 20-foot sections. Every 20 feet there's going to be a coupling or a fitting, which can lead to a crack or a future problem. So with PEX, it's a lot more weather resistant as well, and it'll just do better altogether in this type of terrain. All right, so as you guys can see, this is not a small job by any means. In order for us to get something like this done, it takes a crew, it takes a great team, and it also takes the big machinery right behind me. As you can see, there's a lot of rocks in the way, and we kind of have to just make our own route with these rocks. So we have some big machinery going on right here. We got a rock saw down below, and then also this big excavator, and that's without these 2 equipment, this job wouldn't be able to get done. So, and then after that, once we install the new water line, what we're gonna do is go ahead and put dirt and sand back in the hole. Because of the rock, we're not able to put the rock back, so we're gonna have to go ahead and fill it up with dirt and sand. So the original tie-in for the house is not right here where you can see, but this is where we're gonna be bringing in the new water line. So right here, we have the all trenched out, going all the way down the hill. 255 feet to the bottom of the hill. And then once we go ahead and bring the new water line inside the garage, what we're gonna do is go ahead and bring the water line up above the wall, bring it all the way down over to the softener. And then that right there will fix our leak. So good to go. All right, so right here we have our backflow, our RPZ, and then we also have our pressure reducing valve. The pressure reducing valve is gonna lower the incoming water pressure from the city to the home. And then also our backflow is going to prevent any bad water backflowing into the city's water. When you install a new water line, what you want to do is install a new shutoff valve, a new PRV, and also a new backflow as well. They had one previously, but when we install a new line, we just go ahead and replace it as included in the job. All right, guys, well, so that's pretty much a wrap. You guys seen what it takes to complete a job like this. It takes a good team, a good company, also good equipment. And that's what we have right here at Reliant. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. If you guys ever need any leak detection services, any new water lines, we're here for you. Any plumbing issues, go ahead and give us a call. All right, I gotta get going. Have a good one.